I have my things with waters, rivers, and wait a minute, what was that in my screen? So let's see how fast. Ooh, this is some walking water. Oh, it's strong though. I almost fell backwards. That would not have been good. It's getting in my pants. I've got to get out of here. Three Stooges. I mean, three trees. Actually, there's five, not 4 or 5. The 5 Stooges, or the 5 trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Wait a minute. Vic, Hart, Ashley, forever. Okay. But why do you have to write engravings onto the tree? You know the tree is going to eat away the writing for about a couple of years, and it's making and living. Also, how tall are these people? They reach all the way up there. I'm like 5'11", and I can't even reach that. Actually, I think I'm 6. Ah, nice bench. Ooh. In honor of all veterans, do not stand on my grave and... Oh. Okay. Oh. I think I better sit over here instead.